Ay, aga.
Anong bulog?
Hindi po hindi tayo aabot dyan sa may rope.
Really, nigga?
Antok pa ako. Hoy, Nika. Hello.
Hello daw sa vlog din namin.
Say hello to my vlog. Yes sir! Pasok namin! Alright! May mga obstacle. Ito mga kasama ko.
Don't forget to be back.
Don't want to mislead. This is all you need.
Exercise. Warm up na, warm up.
Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel. Please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my back.
For your race distance, our marshals are gonna look for those.
Also, protect your gadgets, guys. Remember that you guys are going to take a lot of
Hey, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons. Hey, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love.
State your name, Christian. Swear that I will take this challenge as my own.
Really, nigga?
I will reach the finish line, whether I run or I walk. Whether I conquer the obstacles or just smile for the camera. Alright, don't put your hands down. Oh, wala mag-react. Children, while you're facing the person that brought you here, please say these words. I will not complain in the middle of the race. Because I decided to join in the first place. That's true. I will not let anybody steal my ultimate happiness. Or steal my phone and wallet. I will make new friends.
Even when you're low, you can let me know. You know I will show. Now we're sipping the Bordeaux. With you through it all, winter through the fall. You just make the call. Yeah, I'm in it for it all. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons. Babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons. Babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love.
Nakakapagod. Yung mga kasama ko. Nauna na yung tatlo. May naiwan akong dalawa sa likod. Kaya pa to.
Really,
Nasa
nigga?
kalahati pa lang to. Right.
For the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. For the love. I'm in it for the love.
Nagpakulay sila doon. Pass. Dito ako papakulay. Dalawa kasama ko. Si Justin.
Nauna ka pa?
Hinapit nyo eh.
Picture ba yan?
Video. Pabalik na ako. Tayo, nakabal ko yung hininga ko. Pero masaya. Ayos to, promise. Dalawang kasama kanina, batak eh. Tapos yung tatlo na iwan ko. Nasa likod ko yata sila. Anyway, babalik na ako. Shoutout kay ate. Tangina. Lapit na. So ayun o. Natakbo ako nina.
Gusto kong makita, yeah. Gusto kong makita isang dalagang Pilipina, yeah.
Anyway,
Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina.
Nakita ko naman yung number nung
Dalagang Pilipina,
Facebook nila.
yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina.
So kabay doon sa lima. Nakapagod yung challenge. Napansin nyo, hindi ko kinuhanan yung challenge kasi aakyat, slide, mahirap pag may dalang camera. So yung naabot ko dun sa nasa baba. Yan na tayo. Hindi ako nakabal ko yung ako. Sala ba kayo sa vlog? Nakita nyo sila ate na sumali sila sa vlog. Anyway, lapit na tayo sa finish line.
With you through it all, winter through the fall. You just make the call, yeah, I'm in it for it all. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to.
Yes! So yun ito, grabe. Tadaan tayo dito lahat eh. Tayo ate. Nakita ko na isang mga kasama. Nauna pa sa akin to. Batak! Batak ta. Kasi si Box. Nandun. So yun. Nantay lang namin yung iba namin kasama. Wala po sila mga kasama namin. What's up mga sir? Kulay nyo ah. What's up? Alright, nakita na namin yung kasama namin, Justin. Tapos na kami. Ito na sila Bako.
Bako ka, LGBT shoes.
So, tapos namin yung challenge. Anong medal yan?
Medal.
Lahat ba may ganyan?
Oo, lahat. Yan na. Pre, video ba yan?
Video pre.
You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. 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 For the love. I'm in it for the love.
Pagod na kayo.
Today we all let go of stress, negativity, and heartaches. Iniwan niya ako, aminin ko na. But because we are strong, say it, I am strong. That's right, today we will conquer all our fears. Accept all the challenges thrown at us. We have 1 minute. All together say challenge accepted. Here at Manila, we celebrate life, happy endings and new beginnings. Life may not always be easy, and life has always some obstacles along the way. But if we face it all together, we can make it all together. We got 50 seconds. Guys, so everybody that is not in church, this is our church. We are the church. We celebrate life and we celebrate God. Thank you so much for spending your Sundays with us. Whoever is with you right now, never let them go. Whoever is beside you, keep that smile. We will enjoy this Sunday morning only with the good vibes. Here we go. We got 15 seconds. Ready your caller packets. Ready it. 7, 6, 5, 4. This is it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go Manila. Go Manila. Now make some noise. Let's go. One more time.
Tapos na ang Color Manila. Pauwi na kami. Tatlo akong kasama, makulay. Alright. Napakalinis nyo, guys! Magta-tricycle kayo na ganyan, no?
Special ako.
Really, nigga?
Special. And ito si Bax kasabay ko to eh.
Napidong ka sa likod, din ako sa lahat. Pag-isahan na natin.
So, ayan, no. Ako nilagyan ako ng... Sino? O yung meron nga ako sa likod. See you next Color Manila, guys. Kami uuwi na. Out! Oh, come